Hi everyone, it's Vicky. Welcome to my channel, and today I have a clean face because I have an Ipsy box. I do have a little bit of oil of Olay on that I put on a couple hours ago. But let's get at it. Okay, so according to the photos I took, I picked my favorites or whatever that you get to pick from on March the 1st. Today is March the 15th, and this came in yesterday, just to give you an idea. All right, so it comes with this little magazine kind of thing. Well, not really a magazine. And I never know what's going to be in this. Sometimes it lists some of the items I got. Sometimes it doesn't, it seems. Either that or I don't know how to read it. But it does show power picks. The ones that are called power picks are the ones that they pick for you. And mine power picks that they picked for me included some LMA Pro Collagen Marine Cream and a Wander Beauty Trailblazer eyeshadow palette, which is this here. Oh, and there's the LMA there. So my two items are listed on here. So let's find them in here. All right, first one on the top is the Trailblazer palette. Let's see what it looks like. It looks very brown, which I like. Ooh. I wish they didn't have the little thing on these. They're all hard to get off. There we go. Gosh, it seems like I almost have a palette that looks just like this. And I may have another Wander Beauty one. Oh yes, it's got some greens in it too. All right, it has a very shiny, glittery here. Some browns. It's very fall looking to me. Yeah. Colors are primarily brown with the green and gold. Green and copper, I'd say. And of course it has the little mirror. So you can see yourselves. See, there you are. You all look like a camera to me. Yeah, it's called Trailblazer Eyeshadow Palette. And I will put links, or not links, but whatever around in here. Somewhere I'll fit them in. So they may or may not be prices on that. Sometimes it's easy to find, sometimes it's not. All right, LMA Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Doesn't say anything about how to wear it or what it is. I'm just thinking it's a moisturizer. Let me see if this tells any more about it. I don't think it does, no. All right, let's just open it up. Maybe. It's got one of these little things on here. Yeah. It looks like it's this big thing, but actually it's only as big as this. It is, how many ounces? Oh, here it is. Oh, I can't read that language. Okay, anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. Oh, let's put some on. Whoa, it wants to come out for sure. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. It's going to be a mess. Oh, it smells nice. A lot of the LMA products has that real spa smell. A little more than I like, but this one, I like this one. This one doesn't have just that smell. Yeah. Feels good. Yeah, it feels real good. Smells nice. I have an eye cream on. I put on a little bit of eye cream and a little bit of, what did I say that I put on this morning? That I found a bottle of that I forgot that I had. Oil of Olay. I used to wear that like in my 30s and 40s. Don't worry, that bottle's not from then. I just always have some. When I feel like whatever moisturizer isn't working for me anymore, then I just switch to that for a while. And that's kind of how my skin is. And my hair, everything, nails. Whatever's working right now is great. I think, oh gosh, this is the best product. But I've learned, don't go buy too much of it because pretty soon it's not going to have the same effect. It's almost like changing products is what motivates my skin and stuff. I don't know. Does that make sense? Happen to anybody else? Yeah, that's nice. I like that. It's a little bit heavier cream than some, but yeah, it's nice. All right. Sometimes you like a heavy one, sometimes you like a light one. All right, so next I chose a product called Everdeen Premium Mineral Sunscreen. So I won't be trying that one on probably. Here it is. Actually, this is Ever Eden. Okay. When it's all together, it looks different. It's SPF 50 Premium Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. I live in Florida, so this is what I should probably put on under makeup. Yeah, there we go. I think I might have a little version of this that's in my travel bag. It's not the same brand, but it's a similar holder, whatever you call it. Oh, looks like it has color to it. I'm getting a little bit of a scent. Floral, maybe? I don't know. Let me just put a little bit on my hand. I mean, it's not going to hurt. I just don't want to waste sunscreen. It's got a little bit of a, I don't know if it's floral or soapy. It's just maybe a little like clean laundry smell maybe. Yeah. So that's nice. Again, I will try to put something on here to give you an idea if there's some prices involved. All right. So next is Lactic Fruit Superfood Scrub. I'm getting them off my phone, so I know exactly what I'm talking about this time. All right, so what does it say? Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. I don't really like sugar scrubs on my body. I had one once, and I just felt sticky. Even if it wasn't sticky, it was grainy. It was sticky in my mind. But just for your face, might work. Let's just open it this way so we can give it a whiff. Oh, it would have worked. Ooh, it's pink. Ooh, it smells like raspberries or something. That's really nice. Yeah. I have quite a few facial cleansers and stuff, but I don't know I have anything called a scrub. Very nice. So that's that one. All right, so the next item I chose, the last one, was, and I might put up there too the items that I picked from. All right, so the last one was Tais Beauty Lip Butter and Honey. And here it is. It says lip butter, and then down below it says jelly. I'm not sure what that means. And there's something on the side. What does it say? It's really hard to read the small writing. And it's in a holograph, like, so I'm just gonna skip that for now. Ooh, look at the color. It's really a light pink. Did not realize it was that, because see, it doesn't look that light pink when I looked at it. See? Now this. Maybe I chose a different one. Yeah. Oh, this one's $20. I will tell you the prices because I do see them on here. That's right, these have them. The face scrub is $26. The sunscreen is $29. The other two are the ones I don't have prices on. Yeah, this is, let's see what this is like. It says Shea Butter Lip Gloss. So it's very light. I think you'd barely see this. I'll just put a little bit on my arm. Yeah, it's you're not, it's right there. Can you see that little bit of color? I'm not gonna go directly on here in case I don't keep it. Ooh, it's really nice. I got a dry lip right here. That is really nice. Yeah, I think I'll pass this on to my teenager because I have a lot of these, but it is really nice. Okay, so that's the end of the box. So now let's see what extras I got. Oh, here it is. Okay, the LMA Pro Collagen, $94. No wonder it felt so nice, right? And the Wonder Beauty palette, $42. Okay, So I did find something online. I did a lot more research. Every time I've done this, I've done just a little bit more to figure stuff out. All right, so the next thing that we chose from were $3.50 mini products. And I chose a brow gel from Benefit Cosmetics. And it is definitely a little bitty one. I know I have that one brow pencil and stuff, so I don't know. It's a tiny little thing. Look at that. Oh, it is nice and light though. Light color. Yeah. Yeah. I just did a little bitty dab on my hand. I don't think you can see it in there. Yeah. Cute. So that was, like I said, $3.50. Let's see what else is in here. I also got a Pinky Bee Cosmetics Duo Gel Eyeliner in brown, which is, which is normally $19. I think I'm going to take this and throw away the old eyeliner things I have. I don't really wear it a lot, so yeah. I just organized my cosmetics drawer, and as new things come in, I'm going to throw out some old, because I have stuff that's gotten pretty old. Things that were before Ipsy, I would say, is old. I can't get in this. This has that really tight packaging. It's eyeliner, and it's brown. I don't know what else to say when I can't get into it. Yeah, it's a full size. Okay. Then Glow Recipe Watermelon Pore Tight Toner. See, I didn't think I had any toner, and then I just found some toner when I was cleaning out my drawer. Yeah, this is a sample size, so $3.50. I think this was also $3.50, even though it had a different price. Watermelon Glow Toner. Let me see. Oh, it's got a thing on it. Let's see. Ooh, smells like, kind of like watermelon. Kind of like watermelon and cucumber scents. Sounds sort of, or kind of the same to me. Not in, when you're eating them so much. But this is a little bit different than that. It's a little nice. It's nice. It's a little, I was going to say maybe a little bit of floral to it or something. Very clear. Yeah, nice little sample size of that toner. Well, I don't need that toner now that I found one. So I will just share it. Okay. The next is Billion Dollar Brows Mascara in black. I don't know why it's called Million Dollar Brows. Huh. Billion Dollar Brows, but it's a mascara. Forever Lashes Mascara in black. Did I mess up? Look at saying here, mascara, black. Yeah, it says mascara. Oh yeah, it's got that kind of wand that's big at each end. Not my favorite kind, but it's nice. It doesn't look clumpy so far. Yeah. Yeah, it's showing pictures on the back. It looks really nice. Lengthening, volumizing. Oh no, waterproof. Oh yeah, I'm not keeping that. I don't like waterproof mascara. It's just too hard to get off, and yeah. Oh well. It is a full-size product though, but I think I just paid the lesser expensive price. I don't know. I'm a little lost how I saved it. Sorry. I thought I had it all taken care of. Okay, so Gold Faden MD. Now we've had that brand before. Plant Profusion Night Cream. And it is a 12-ounce mini moisturizer. It says, introducing your secret weapon for a smoother looking complexion, packed with plant serum cells, antioxidants, and nourishing extracts like bird of paradise. Each night, spread the... Okay, phone. Each night, spread the cream onto cleaned skin in a gentle circular motion. And so that's it. It's just a little bitty thing. It's a sample size. I got all these out of the sample size area, I thought. Every once in a while I'll buy a mascara and a little bit. But they're all discounted. These add-ons are all discounted things. Although you can just do reorder too. No scent. No scent at all. I was trying on a little bit. It went on top of something smooth, so of course it feels smooth. All right, so those are the items. And that the sample size didn't have a price. I don't know if I told you the mascara price. If it had one. No, it doesn't have one. That's why I think it was in with the samples for $3.50. Could be wrong. But anyway, thanks so much for watching the video. I didn't really do anything to my face other than hydration. But, you know, it's interesting to see what's in it anyway. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.